बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 15 इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 15.7 एसी जनरेटर। ये टॉपिक आपसे एज अ लॉन्ग पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट इज़ एसी जनरेटर, एक्सप्लेन इट्स वर्किंग। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे इफ अ कॉइल इज रोटेटिंग से लेके ईच हाफ टर्न ऑफ द लूप तक। फर्स्ट लाइन में हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल मौजूद है एसी जनरेटर की। इफ अ कॉइल इज रोटेटिंग इन अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अ करंट विल बी इंड्यूस्ड इन द कॉइल। यहाँ तक आप इसकी प्रिंसिपल लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इंड्यूस्ड करंट। The strength of the induced current depends upon the number of magnetic lines of force passing through the coil. Next one हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है। Next question is what happens when the plane of the coil is perpendicular? The answer starts from the number of lines of magnetic force passing through the coil will be maximum when the plane of the coil is perpendicular to the line of the magnetic force. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one question is what happens when the plane of the coil is horizontal? The answer starts from the number of lines of magnetic force will be 0 when the plane of the coil is parallel to the lines of force. Thus, when a coil rotates in a magnetic field, the induced current in it continuously changing from maximum to minimum value and from minimum to maximum and so on. This is the basic principle on which an AC generator works. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one is the side block, important for the short question. The question is how a generator of hydraulic power station converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The answer starts from a generator inside a hydraulic dam uses electromagnetic induction to convert mechanical energy of a spinning turbine into electrical energy. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन पैराग्राफ में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन मौजूद है, व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ आर्मेचर। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे द आर्मेचर इज अरेंज सो दैट इट कैन रोटेट फ्रीली से लेके इंक्रीजिंग द इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ तक। नेक्स्ट वन इज द साइड ब्लॉक, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन एंड एमसीक्यूज। द क्वेश्चन इज what do you know about Michael Faraday? The answer starts from Michael Faraday was a British chemist and physicist to the law of electrolysis. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Michael Faraday was a British chemist and physicist. Early stage of his age, he had worked as a bookbinder to meet his financial need. There he learned a lot from books that helped him to become an expert. Although Faraday received a little formal education, he was one of the most influential scientists in the history and was one of the best experimentalists in the history of science. He discovered the principle of electromagnetic induction and the law of electrolysis. Next one topic is current from a generator, और ये आप complete लिखेंगे। When a generator is connected in a closed circuit से लेके each half turn of the loop तक। When a generator is connected in a closed circuit, the induced EMF generates an electric current. As a loop rotates, the strength and the direction of the current changes. When the loop is perpendicular to the field, the number of lines of magnetic force passing through it is maximum, but the change in the number of the lines through the coil is minimum. So EMF induced is minimum. Next one topic is 15.8 mutual induction. ये आपको एज अ लॉन्ग पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन इस तरह आपको पेपर में आ सकता है, What is meant by mutual induction? Explain it. और state and explain the mutual induction. ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे द फिनोमिनन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड करंट से लेके डैश इन द प्रीवियस केस तक। शॉर्ट में आपसे म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन की डेफिनेशन पूछी जा सकती है। द फिनोमिनन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड करंट इन वन कॉइल ड्यू टू द चेंज ऑफ करंट इन अ नेबरिंग कॉइल इज कॉल्ड द म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन। यहाँ तक आप इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे। Next one is the side block, important for short question. The question is, what is the principle of walk through the metal detector? The answer starts from, walk through the metal detector are installed at the airport to electromagnetic induction. Next one topic is 15.9 transformer. It is also very important long question. The question is, what is transformer? Explain the working of transformer. The answer starts from, the transformer is a practical application of mutual induction to its last expression Vp Ip is equal to Vs Is. First one short question from this topic is, what is transformer? The answer starts from, transformer is a practical application of mutual induction. Transformer are used to increase or decrease AC voltages. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one short question is, why the usage of transformer is common? The answer starts from, usage of transformer is common because they change voltages with relatively little loss of energy. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one is the uses of transformer. In fact, many of the devices in our homes, such as game systems, printers, and the serious use of transformer for their working. यहाँ तक आप इसके uses लिखेंगे. Next one is the working of transformer, important for long. First short question is, how many coils in a transformer? The answer starts from, a transformer has two coils electrically insulated from each other but wound around the same in iron core. One coil is called the primary coil and the other coil is called the secondary coil. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one line for the MCQ. Number of turns on the primary and the secondary coil represented by NP and NS respectively. Next one short question is, what do you know about the primary and secondary coil? First one is the primary coil. When the primary coil is connected to the source of the AC voltage, the changing current creates a changing magnetic field which is carried through the core to the secondary coil. In the secondary coil, the changing field induced an alternating EMF. Next one is the secondary coil. The EMF induced in the secondary coil, called the secondary voltage Vs, is proportional to the primary voltage Vp. The secondary voltage also depends upon the ratio of the number of turns on the secondary coil to the numbers of turns on the primary coil, as shown in fig. This expression important for MCQ. Vs over Vp is equal to Ns over Np. If the secondary voltage is larger than the primary voltage, what happens? The transformer is called the step up transformer. ये क्वेश्चन आपको इस तरह भी आ सकता है. What is step up transformer? The answer starts from, if the secondary voltage is larger than the primary voltage, the transformer is called the step up transformer. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, what is the step down transformer? If the secondary voltage is smaller than the primary voltage, the transformer is called the step down transformer. In next paragraph, there is a short question. What is meant by an ideal transformer? Write the power equation for an ideal transformer. The answer starts from, in an ideal transformer, the electric power delivered to the secondary circuit is equal to the power supplied to the primary circuit. An ideal transformer dissipates no power itself, and for such transformer we can write that is equal to Vp Ip is equal to Vs Is. यहाँ तक आप ideal transformer का आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one is example of 15.1. If a transformer is used to supply voltage to a 12-volt model train which draws a current of 0.8 amperes, calculate the current in the primary if the voltage of the AC source is 240 volts. The solution starts from, Vp is equal to 240 volts, Vs is equal to 12 volts, Is is equal to 0.8 amperes. By using the formula, input power of the primary is equal to the output power of the secondary, we got the answer Ip is equal to 0.04 amperes. Next one topic is 15.10 हाई वोल्टेज ट्रांसमिशन. लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. क्वेश्चन आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द हाई वोल्टेज ट्रांसमिशन. द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज यूजुअली जनरेटेड एट द प्लेसेस से लेके एंड ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट तक. द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is the function of transformer in the power station. The answer starts from transformers play an essential part in the power distribution. Transformer works only with AC. This is one reason why main power station is supplied as the alternating current. Next one is a short question. Write some applications of electromagnet. The answer starts from magnetic effect of the current is called the electromagnet. Magnetic effect of current is called electromagnet. These effects they use in many devices like relay, electric bulb, etc. Soft iron can easily be magnetized and the demagnetized. Next one is the relay. Important short question. The question is, what do you know about relay and explain its working? The answer starts from the relay is used to control a large current with the help of small current to door latches. यहाँ तक आप इसका कंप्लीट आंसर लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ रिले. रिले इज यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल अ लार्ज करंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ स्मॉल करंट. यहाँ तक आप इसका फंक्शन लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिले. A relay is an electrical switch that opens and closes under the control of another electrical circuit. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. In next line, there is a structure of relay. The first circuit supplies current to the magnet from the last. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.